That's right. California is suffering from a energy crisis, rolling blackouts all over the state. So let's look at this for a moment. Governor dipshit Newsom, nuisance, nitwit, well, the governor of California. He signed a little bill thing getting rid of gasoline-powered cars in California, I think by 2030, 35. I mean, well, this jackass is not going to be around in 10 or something years. He's going to be voted the friggin' out, and we're going to get another governor, and all he can do is reverse all that, I guess. Just like old Biden, Obama, the president, when he reversed all the Trump stuff. So we're assuming we can do that. So anyway, when I was saying, so all gasoline-powered cars are gone, and he decides that we're going to be driving all electric cars. Okay, but this jackweed says, as of yesterday, because there's an energy crisis, everybody is to turn off their ACs, preserve energy as much as possible, do not charge your electric cars. Do not charge your electric cars because the state of California cannot handle the strain of electricity. Okay, so tell me how the fuck that works. You don't want gas cars, which doesn't run off electricity, which runs on its own electricity through a battery and an alternator system. But at the same time, you want to replace gas cars with electric cars and force everybody to buy solar if they want to or not. And then you tell everybody not to power up their cars because there's not electricity generated in all of California to be able to do that. So Asswipe is sitting inside his mansion with the AC blasting, and he's telling the rest of us ham and eggers to turn off our ACs when it's 110 degrees out, especially out here in Hemet. And it's been as hot as 115 to 117. Okay, how does that make sense? Does that make any sense to you people? Why did you vote for this asshole? God. You know, you young people are stupid, and you ex-hippies are stupid. Oh, and also what makes it worse? Dumbass hag Hillary is going to run for a third time for president. If O'Brandon decides to run for president again, which he probably isn't, she's going to beat him easy. So that means Trump's going to have to run and beat her out again. But anyway, I was talking about the energy. So that's what Asswipe said. Nuisance. Nonsense. Newsom, governor, whatever. So that's what he said. Turn off your AC. Do not plug in your cars. And yet I'm trying to get rid of all gas cars in California, and I'm forcing you all to buy solar. Okay, whatever. Anyway, this is me shaking my head at another stupid news article. I mean, so having 2 or 3 college degrees make you smarter? It actually makes you dumber. Remember, these politicians that you asswipes voted for are all college educated, who obviously they didn't teach them common sense in college.